Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by dialing the basics that let you close the driver face. Set the ball off your left heel, add a small spine tilt away from the target, and take a slightly stronger lead hand grip so the face can rotate naturally. Once done, make a smooth, connected takeaway that keeps the club head on plane. This prevents an early open face. Make sure to feel the club face against your lead palm during the backswing so you know where it is as you start down. You initiate the downswing by rotating your hips toward the target, not by throwing your arms. This creates a sequence that naturally allows the club face to close. As you move down, maintain wrist hinge until the last fraction, don't cast, so the forearms can rotate through impact and square the face. Also shallow the club path slightly inside out. By delivering the face from the inside, you increase the mechanical advantage for closing. Make sure to feel the hands leading, then forearms rolling. At impact, you want to be driving through the ball with your chest and hips, hands slightly ahead of the ball so the club face can close on time. Once you've hit it, continue into a full rotation. Lead forearm across your chest shows the face closed. If the ball still fades or slices, make small changes. A slightly stronger lead hand grip or a more inside takeaway. Conversely, if you overclose and hook, weaken grip or reduce inside path. Practicing these.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.